Hooty hoo! What's up, guys? Father Mac here with another video. I know it's been a little bit of time since you see my pretty face, but I've been up to some things. We've been building, exploring, behind the scenes things. Happy November 3rd to anybody in America. I hope things work out for you. Let's get into the topic of the video. As you might know, if you've been following me, I recently upgraded my stream/editing setup. A MacBook just wasn't working out for me. I'm rolling 1080p 60 FPS with these videos, so to bring the high quality videos you need the high quality editing. So I decided to dabble in building a PC, and let me tell you, I think it worked out okay. Now, aside from that, obviously first time building PC, camera angles weren't really the best. I've got some footage. I don't know if I'm even going to put it in this video. I guess we'll see. But I promise you, first things first, the next time I'll have it all. Secondly, yes, there will be a next time, because this is only part one. I don't want to give away too much, but this is only part one. I went with a Ryzen 7 3800X. I took the GeForce GTX 1650 out of my previous streaming PC, popped it into the new one. I'm rolling with an X570 motherboard, MSI, MPG, Gaming Plus, Deep Cool, AIO, and fans, RGB of course. And to top it off, I went with a Lian Li O11 Dynamic case. Now before you say something, oh, everybody has a Lian Li O11, oh, wait to be original, blah blah blah. Well, guess what? It's beautiful, okay? It's beautiful. Ebony is what I call it. You can see it right here. You can also see that I got a different, background. We got some plywood. I'm in my basement. I ain't trying to hide nothing. I switched my setup around a little bit. I like it a lot better the way it is right now. Could, maybe I need a little upgrade. Who knows? That'll come in the future. Aside from that, this is the same PC that you saw me, 30-second clip last week, that kind of thing. But we'll get a little more in depth. So, without further ado, here it is. Let's